The Porsche Panamera delivers an edge against the depreciation which is known to afflict many expensive luxury vehicles. Kelley Blue Book rates the Panamera at 1 in the high-end luxury class overall, with a current resale value estimate of 48.5% after 36 months and 32.5% after 60 months. 2017 brings the new all-wheel drive Panamera Turbo, with the magnificent 520 horsepower 4.0-litre twin-turbo V8 engine mated to an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. With a 0-60 miles per hour time under 4 seconds, it's the fastest entry on our list of sedans with the best resale value. The Lexus LS and Mercedes-Benz CLS also offered stronger than average high-end luxury sedan resale values. While overall sales in the mid-size luxury sedan class were down from year to year, the Lexus ES remained the best-selling model, with a mid-cycle refresh in 2016. The front-wheel drive ES is offered in conventional ES 350 $38,900 and hybrid ES 350 H 41,820 models, with the hybrid delivering an admirable 40 mpg combined. Kelley Blue Book rates the Lexus ES sedan at 2 in the entry-level luxury class overall, with a strong current resale value estimate of 48.5% after 36 months and 34.5% after 60 months. If you're looking for luxury on a budget, buying a 5-year-old ES delivers plenty of bang for the buck. The smaller Lexus ES sedan offers solid resale values as well. The luxurious Lexus GS sedan lineup provides a wide range of choices, with GS, GS Hybrid, and GSF models. The base GS Turbo starts at a MSRP of $46,310. The GS 350 is equipped with a 311 horsepower 3.5-litre V6 and is available with rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. The high-performance GSF covers the 0-60 miles per hour sprint in 4.5 seconds and is fitted with a 467 horsepower naturally aspirated 5.0-litre V8. Kelley Blue Book rates the Lexus GS sedan at 1 in the luxury class overall, with a current resale value estimate of 42.0% after 36 months and 31.0% after 60 months. The mid-size Legacy completes Subaru's hat-trick in our list of sedans with the best resale value, with standard all-wheel drive one of the Impressa's bigger brother's strongest selling points. Kelley Blue Book rates the Legacy sedan at 1 in the mid-size class overall, with a current resale value estimate of 47.6% after 36 months and 33.2% after 60 months. While the Honda Accord and Toyota Camry offer strong mid-size resale values, they are not offered with all. If you need a sedan that will get there no matter the weather or road conditions, the Legacy is a best bet. A 2.5-litre horizontally opposed boxer 4-cylinder engine is standard on most models, but the top-of-the-line 3.6R Limited offers a stout boxer 6. While subcompact sedans are prone to high depreciation rates, they're a great way to stay mobile while on a tight budget and can be fun to drive. To boot, the Toyota Yaris here is a perfect case in point. It offers excellent handling, a handsome cabin, and excellent fuel economy with a remarkably low starting MSRP of $15,950. Kelley Blue Book rates the Yaris ES sedan at 2 in the subcompact class overall after the Honda Fit, with a current resale value estimate of 39.0% after 36 months and 26.0% after 60 months. Although the depreciation curve is steep, you could win the numbers game with a clean certified pre-owned unit. The year was previously sold under the Scion marquee and is actually a Mazda 2 under the skin.